Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're looking for your next protective hairstyle, this is it guys. So watch up to the end to learn how I did it, and you can try it on yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to if you're new. And on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved yet another protective hairstyle. Oh my god guys, can you believe I just cut my hair less than 6 months ago, and that is the growth already. So I did not show you guys how to braid, because on this channel I have shown you guys how to braid like 3 different types, and there's no point in repeating myself. So I wanted just something light and simple and something quick, because time is of the essence. And at this point I was really contemplating leaving my style like this unfinished, like you see it, but then I just figured let me just finish it so that I can have the final look, which is this. And I really love the length. I love how light they are. So basically these are just like tutors but with extension, and they'll do the job. So if you're new here, hi, I am Crowned, and on this channel I am on my natural hair journey, which basically just means I show you guys how I take care of my hair and what I do to it to achieve the goal length. So believe it or not, I just cut my hair recently and I'm already seeing so much progress. So if you want to learn how to grow your hair, you are in the right place, and should grow your hair with me, and let's just also grow the channel. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Would you try this hairstyle? And yeah, basically that's it. I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.